Make it easy to hang objects without any tools like tape, glue, or nails with StickMag. But first, let me show you how we can customize this mirror. Just choose and print your design with IUV 600S UV printer. Wait for a few minutes and we can start with the application. StickMag is a non-printable magnetic media, which has one side brown magnetic sheet and adhesive liner on the other side. StickMag is easy to install. You don't need to hire for professionals. Just cut using a scissor. Peel the adhesive liner, stick on the object, and hang it on your wall. Give your customers an easy access to your products on your retail shop in a creative way. Display your products like a pro. Use StickMag. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraph.com.